Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.
Now, to create your own talking head avatar for free, especially if you are using it for faceless YouTube account or if you are using it for content creation. Now, there are three processes you must go through in order to achieve this. The first one is, first we will create the AI avatar. Second, we will create the background, and third, we will render it. Now, the first one, to create the AI avatar, open your search engine. Here on the search engine, type app.kusu kusu.io. Now open it by clicking on search. Here inside the app, click on this grid icon here. Now click on avatar. Now here, click on this drag and drop an image here. Now select your photo you want to turn into avatar by clicking on it. Now click on done here. Now click on this description here. Now type in how you want the avatar to be. Here I will use realistic young. Now add this slash. You can make it cartoon by adding the cartoon here to cartoon it, realistic cartoon or cartoon slash like this. Change the background. Now click on generate avatar. Wait for it. Select the one that faces the camera like this. Now click on download like this. Here click on the downloading icon. Now after downloading it, now open this app called HiPic here. Now click on import. Now erase the background like this by sliding to reach cutout here. Click on this auto select. Now click on done. Now click on download. Now to generate the background, now go back to the app, but now I will use the Kuso app. Now click on the app. Now click on generate. Now here type this front view the YouTube studio slash this line only the YouTube studio. Now click on generate. As you can see, it have generated the studio. Now next thing to do is download the studio. Now after downloading the studio, now the next thing we will do is to assemble them together. But first we have to create a square green screen background in order to remove the label. Now go back here, go to your editing app, create a green screen like this, a square green screen like this, as you can see. Now save it. Now what I use here is Pixel Lab is what I use here. Now go back here. Now assemble the pictures. Now assemble it together like this. Open your CapCut. Now click on new project. Now click on photos. Now select it like this. Now click on add. Now let's make this overlay. Click on it, slide till you reach here, switch to overlay. Now do the same to the avatar like this. Now remove this CapCut stuff. Now make it to fit the screen how you want it to be. Now after setting the avatar like this, now click on export. As you can see, you have exported it. Now go back. Now make a short video of you using your camera and make sure your head is straight like this.
It's all about creating avatar. Here is all about creating avatar.
Now after doing a short video of yourself, now open your search engine. Here type in talking head. As you can see it here, click on it. Now after opening it, now click on generate talking head. Now click on upload your own. Now what you will do is go back. Now go back to here where you save the avatar you just created and assembled here. Now screenshot it like this. Now crop it. Now click on save. Now head back to talking head king here. Click on upload. Now click on it. Now click on done. Wait for it to load. Now after loading, now click on step 2. Now click on upload here, your upload here. Now click on add video. Now select that video that screen record you just do like this. Now click on done. This will take a few minutes based on the video length. That's why you have to make it short. Now click on step 3. Now click here. Now click on generate. Wait for it. Now let's know if this work. Now click on download here. Now after downloading it, it is saved in your storage. Now go back to your CapCut. Click on it. Now click on new project. Now click on it here.
It's all about creating avatar. Here is all about creating
Click on
avatar.
add. Now here we will make this to be in 16:9 aspect ratio like this. Now click on aspect ratio here. Now click on 16:9 aspect ratio. Now let's enlarge it like this. Now click on this arrow icon here. Now let's know if this work.
It's all about creating avatar. Here is all about creating avatar. And this is my avatar. This is my avatar.
Now here I will show you what you will do if you want to use it for another video. Now here click on it. Now mute the voice Now slide till you reach audio. Now click on record like this. Now click on here, this icon, wait for it to count down. Now hey there, I'm the avatar. They have created me. This is my avatar. Thank you for watching. Now let's know how this work.
It's me, GTECHAI. I'm the avatar. This is my avatar, and that's how to create avatar.
Now save it. Now export it.
That's how to create your talking head avatar for free, the best possible way. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tutorial like this and also application guide. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace. Watch this video on the screen here in order to know how to create your avatar.